In this question, we are going to prove that if we have a circle and P is any point that lies outside the circle, and from this point P, if we draw two tangents PA and PB on the circle, then the length PA should be equal to length PB. That's what we have to prove. So we are going to prove that the length of tangent PA is equal to length of tangent PB. Now to prove it, we are going to use the concept of congruent triangles. So we need two congruent triangles, and for that let's do one thing. Let's join O and P. Let's join OA and let's join OB as well. So our construction is join OP, OA and OB. Now we can see that OB and OA are the radius of the circle. So this is radius, this is also radius. And we also know that the radius that touches the point of contact of a tangent is always perpendicular to that tangent. So this angle will be 90°. Similarly, this angle will be 90° as well. So now we are going to prove that triangle POA and triangle POB are congruent. So in triangle POA and triangle POB, we know that the measure of angle PAO is equal to measure of angle PBO. Both are 90°. Now PO is equal to PO. This is a common side in both the triangles and it is hypotenuse of both the triangles as well. And then OA is equal to OB because OA is also radius and OB is also radius of the circle. Now you can see this is right angle, this is hypotenuse, and this is a side of the triangle. So by RHS congruency criteria, triangle POA is congruent to triangle POB. Now if the triangles are congruent, that means the length of the corresponding sides should be equal. So this implies PA is equal to PB, and that's what we wanted to prove, hence proved. So this is how we prove this theorem. Now if you really like this tutorial, then share it with your friends and your classmates. Thanks for watching Mathemafia.